Hey guys, Saki here from SakiTech, and in today's video, I'm going to be sharing an amazing feature on the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8 that blew my mind. Now, this feature seems to be exclusive to the Fold 8. You can't use it on the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra, which I'm going to show you in a minute. But let's dive in and show you what I'm talking about. I did demonstrate split screen multitasking on these tablets before. So let's get started with a simple interface here. I'm going to launch one application. I'm going to go over here. I'm going to bring in another application. Okay, let's do the calendar right over here. And then what I'll do is I'll tap over here and I'll just bring in a third application. Let's just do the settings over here so I can put it right there, as you can see. So now I have split screen multitasking, and you can do this same thing on the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra. Okay, you can have three-way split screen multitasking, no problem. Now, what is new on the Fold 8 is if I tap this button in the middle, I have a third button. When I tap that, I get three-way split screen multitasking. And I did talk about this before, but this feature actually has another ability that the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra doesn't have, and basically no other phone has it either. Maybe some Chinese phone somewhere has it, but they're not available in the US. So let me show you what I'm talking about. So real quick guys, if you are thinking of buying the Fold 8 or the 8 Ultra, my affiliate links to buy them at the lowest pricing and the best discounts are going to be down below. You can get up to $1,200 instant trade-in discount. And remember, you can use the code PayPal100 at checkout to get $100 off on top of everything if you check out with PayPal. So you can get the Fold 8 for a steal. Links are going to be down below. So let me show you what I'm talking about. So the reason I did not like this was because the windows are just too small to work on if I'm doing real work. So then what I would do is I would prefer to do the job on the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra with just two windows but much larger displays. However, I just discovered here's what you can do. So I grab this right over here, and I'm going to put it to the side a little bit, and I want you guys to notice how it turns black. Now, as soon as it turns black, you can let it go, and it kind of gets pinned to the corner here, okay? Look at what happens now. Now, I can extend the size of these windows, and I actually have a large screen to work on two apps side by side without that ultra narrow design from a few minutes ago. And then what I can do is I can do this. I can tap this. Boom, it just comes to this side, and again I have these two windows over here. So now I can do three-way split screen multitasking with larger windows, which is actually quite fantastic, and I can tweak these as I please, as you can see, to get the perfect size. Okay, so I did not know this was available on the Fold 8. You cannot do this on the Fold 8 Ultra. Let me show you what you can do on the Fold 8 Ultra, because on the Ultra you can do something, but not this, but still useful. So here's the Ultra. Let's do the same thing. Let's just launch one application, bring another one in. I'm going to do calculator, as you can see, and we're going to stay in the split screen mode. Now you can, just so you know, add a third application, obviously, which is very ideal, okay? It gives you extra real estate to work with all these applications. But I want to show you this specifically. When you do have the split screen multitasking, you can only have up to two, obviously, but you can still have this capability. So look at this. I can make this larger, and I can kind of let it go right over here, and it hides over here. So now I can do split screen multitasking on this guy with a much larger work area. So that will be one app, and that will be the second application, okay? And I can just toggle between them like this. So there are benefits to this, obviously, and you are able to get two large sizes. But with this guy here, you are able to do two applications, but with really massive sizes, as you can see, okay? So I just want to bring that to your attention. The three-way split screen multitasking, only the Fold 8 can do, okay? With this capability right over here. And by the way, when you go back home, you can always come back to that app pair, just so you know. So if you're doing something here, you can exit, do something else, come back and continue working on your 3-app setup. Same thing with the Fold 8 Ultra, but only limited to 2 apps side by side. But again, just as a reminder, so nobody goes crazy, we do have split screen multitasking for 3 apps if you want, as you can see. Okay? But you're not going to be able to have it side by side in this position like this. Alright, so quickly wanted to bring that to your attention. Any questions, comments, or concerns, drop them down below. Guys, have a fantastic day.